French word for light.
French?
Remember? With Belle and the Beast?
Beauty and the Beast. Okay, they're on to egg number 3, and the clue says,
They're so excited they forgot to read the clue. I think it's Audrey's turn to read, isn't it?
It's really nice, but you ruined your surprise. Next clue is in the
blank. Something that rhymes. Check it out.
Here is where
Okay, Christy's turn.
They are pink and they can make you blink. The next clue is something you take to the rink.
Alright, you're just snapping up these clues. We're not fooling anyone.